Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ledger in Tally Prime. First, understand that ledgers are fundamental for organizing your financial data, acting as accounts for all transactions. Tally Prime provides two types: predefined ledgers like cash and profit and loss, and user-defined ones you create. We'll show you the straightforward process to set up new ledgers efficiently, ensuring your accounting records are always accurate and well-organized. To begin creating a new ledger, navigate to the gateway of Tally Prime. From there, select the Create option, then choose Ledger from the Accounting Masters list. You'll then enter the ledger's name, like Sales Account or Rent Expense, and assign it to an appropriate group, such as Sales Accounts or Indirect Expenses. This ensures proper classification. Beyond basic details, Tally Prime allows for advanced ledger configuration. You can input mailing details, bank information, and even set opening balances for accounts that already have existing transactions. Understanding the impact of different ledger groups is crucial, as they dictate how your ledger appears in financial statements like the balance sheet or profit and loss account. Managing your ledgers effectively is key. You can easily alter or modify any existing ledger by navigating to the Alter option in Tally Prime, making changes as needed. Deleting a ledger is also possible, but only if no transactions have been posted to it. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This powerful robot vacuum offers voice control and is pet-friendly, making cleaning effortless.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.